Alright, it's if you hear that noise, I'm sorry. Anyway guys, welcome back to another Roblox. Oops, I forgot to F11 that. Alright, anyways, welcome back to another Roblox video, and today I just found this game. It's called Cased, and it's a demo apparently. So let's see, this game looks pretty new. I've never seen this game before, so let's see. Cased is a semi-realistic and sandbox storm chasing simulator that makes that made to focus on the more realism side of storm chasing. Your main objective is simple: take the best possible photos of thunderstorms and collect storm data. You must do so while avoiding the potential and sudden catastrophe power these thunderstorms can unleash, as a viable life may depend on it. Viable. Not a tornado-based game like Twisted. Alright, so what this game is, it's not just tornadoes. It's all types of storms, it sounds like, because it says more realism of storm chasing. Take the best possible photos of thunderstorms, have thunderstorms, collect storm data, so it's not just tornadoes. Early development stage, expect bugs, unfinished. Okay. This game will not run smoothly on, oh yeah, good thing I'm playing on PC. So we are going to try Cased demo. It looks good. I mean, the thumbnails are promising. Let's look at the ratings. The ratings are 5,000 votes, 90% rating. That's not bad. This game, 30 players. Not too many people are playing it. So this was created in 2024, but I think he put it into the public recently because, well, he's working on this game. So yeah, let's just give this game a shot. See, make sure my volume is up. Let's do this. This game poses photosensitivity risk, so if any of tutorials, okay, this game is loud. I ain't reading all that. Let's just get to it. I'm messing with my microphone. I'm sorry. Okay. So this is the game. Alright, let's see. This is the radar. Okay, the map is giving me a little bit of... It's giving me a little bit of Twister vibe. Kind of. So we got Herlock. I think I'm in Preston? Where am I? I'm in Preston, right? How do I check? I'm looking everywhere. I think I'm in Preston. Okay, that's weird. Alright, let's see. It's sunny, so no storms. Can I spawn a vehicle? Storm chaser vehicles features modified vehicles designed by the community that are made to collect. A Ford F-150? Can I buy it? Oh, cool. I can drive it. Alright. My car won't go. Oh, there we go. Alright. Properly decline that, Anna. Sorry. I'm going 20 miles over the speed limit, but who cares? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, driving in this game is actually way smooth. Like, I'm gonna drive a little bit more. Like, it's actually way more smoother than it was in Twister. Twister driving is a little bit slippery. It's not bad, but it's just off. The car goes too fast. I can't talk. The car speeds up too fast. I think that's my problem. While this car takes its time getting to the right speed, which is, I like the realism there. And I like how the graphics are. I mean, for early beta, this is good. And you got the windmills. Look at the clouds too. Let me look at first person view. First person ain't the best, but I mean, I don't see anyone playing on first person view. Can can I use my blinkers? Is there like controls for driving? There's hazard lights. There's headlights. I think that's the horn. Okay. And this is locking the car. Is there any more controls? Hold on. Oh, graphics. I'm gonna worry about that another time. Hold on. Is there like... Maybe I should have looked at the controls. Let's just press every button. Oh, that put me on park. I pressed P. That put me in park. Okay. That's horn. Oh, look at that. I can play without the all this. Nice. That doesn't do anything. That's lights. That's hazard lights. That put... Wait, if I press C, that puts me in photo mode? That's so cool. Okay, that's how you take photos then. Alright. Okay, that's locking the car. And, oh, and pressing M is the map. Okay. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. Alright. That was an Instagram notification. So let's just keep driving around. So it has a time, so it's 10 a.m. That's pretty cool. Photo mode, right here. Vehicles. What the hell was that? Wait, was that the game or was that like outside? Cars, people tend to show off their cars by just making... Okay, whatever, I'll stop. Alright, so let's see. Let's go to this neighborhood. Hey, the controls are actually really good on car, I'm not gonna lie. The controls are really good. I can get used to this. If I could play on a controller, I think it would be beautiful. Oh yeah, you see, oh yeah. The storm clouds are... Okay, let's pull over. And I fell out of the world. Okay, let's do this. My fault. You died. Better luck next time. Thank you. Okay, where am I? That's not me. I think it's a bright X. Oh, it's C. Alright. So how do I... Okay. So I get some stuff. Nice. Well, let's get my Ford F-150 up and let's drive. Let's turn on our headlights. It is actually raining hard. Ooh, my fault. I ran a stop sign. I tried to obey the laws. Not really too good at it. Wait, so I'm in this... Oh, there I am. I'm right here. I wanna get to where the storm is worse. Alright, let's go. Let's head out. Is my hazard lights on? No, it's not. Okay. I think I turn right. Okay, I thought I was stuck there for a second. There we go, look at this. Alright, let's go. We are turning around because there's a even worse storm. Holy crap. Let's look at this. Let's take a photo of this. That's my truck is driving away. Nice. Okay, I really wish I could sprint. Hopefully the developer has a sprinting mechanic here. Alright, let's go. Well, unless there is a way to sprint. I'm just stupid. Oh, look at the lightning over there. Close that. Look at the lightning over there. Oh boy, man, I'm hyped. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and there's some people here. Let's see. There's one person here and there's one person here. Let's take a picture. Nice. Alright. We're gonna take as much pictures as we can. Turn my hazard lights off. Alright. Where am I? I'm right here. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Drive off. We are going to go chase that thunderstorm. Beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Alright, let's go. I wonder how dark it would get once nighttime hits around. That would be beautiful. Just look at the radar real quick. Oh my goodness, there's another storm appearing out of nowhere over there. And what the heck is that? Alright, let's see. So I gotta hit. So let's turn left, turn right. Actually, oh shoot, I'm going off road actually. Actually, I changed my mind. We are going to keep going straight. Yeah, we want to keep going straight here. Ooh, is that someone's house? Hello, Duke. Oh, he's level 16. He's a pro. Look at him. Mr. Duke, man. He is a pro. Let me go and break into your house. It looks like a nice trailer. Very lovely house you got there, mister. Wait. Oh, you want to take a photo? Let me take a photo of you. There we go. Yeah, enjoy that photo while you can. I'm too famous, man. I'm a man with 1,000 subs. You know, that's a big deal. Alright, I'm off. Oh, you want to take a picture of me on my truck? Feel free, man. Yeah, there you go. Have fun. Let's go this way, maybe? Yeah, so... Okay, let's go this way then. Stop at the stop sign. Look both ways. Alright, we're good. Oh, there's the rain. Hey, I see someone else over there. Let's pull over. Hazard lights. Whoa, hey! That's not on my bingo card. Who thought my own truck would drive away from me? Okay, fine. Since my truck doesn't like me that much, we are going to drive... I like this car. Isn't it Explorer? Exploring. AWD. So... Let's go. Wind is up to 3.4, 2.6. Anything... Alright. We're doing pretty good. Let's roll. I wonder what this car's top speed is. Is it the same as the truck's, or is it a tad bit slower? Okay, so it's a tad bit slower than the Ford F-150. Top speed is at least 90 miles per hour, so... Beautiful. Alright, let's roll. How can I level up? Why is my car tilted like that? What the heck happened to the what? Uh-oh. Yeah, we're getting the Ford F-150 back. I missed it. There we go. It's a stronger, powerful, relying truck. Alright, let's roll out. Look at that. That's crazy. Alright. Wow, the raining is crazy. No active weather warnings. Alright, so it's just a regular storm. Oh, do you hear that? Do you feel that? As my truck is driving away from me again. Come on, man. What the heck was that? The game just went crazy for a second. Alright. What? You died. Yep. Better luck next time. Nothing catastrophically bad happened yet. I wonder if it's a rare. You good, man? What is going on with this wind thing? And he's driving like he's under the influence. Yep. Don't hit my truck. Can cars collide? Let me try it. They can't. Alright. Is he okay? Yeah, go that way. That was beautiful. We got a picture of a lightning strike. How lucky. Alright. Is there a way I can look at the photos? There has to be a way to look at the photos. Wow, that was amazing. That was beautiful. Any alerts yet? Expect rain showers today into tonight. Thunder possible. Okay, that's today's summary. Today's risk. I don't know what that means, but since it's green, expect no severe weather today. Alright. Thermodynamics. Okay. Blah blah blah. Relative storm speed 60. Oh, let's take a picture. I don't care if my truck goes over. Let's take a picture of the sunset. That is a beautiful sunset. I love it. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, the lights are on. There we go. I can't see my mouse. I think my game is a little glitched. Yeah, I can't see my mouse. Oops. Oh well. I don't know how I did that, but cool. There's more clouds over there? Well, let's go experience storm chasing in the nighttime then. I'm taking a picture. I'm taking a picture, y'all. Nice. How do I go to manual? I see manual up there. I don't know. Let's look at accessibility. Lightning flash. Color enhances colors, making them. Okay. No need to lower thunderstorm. No, that's lame. Graphics, alright. Okay. Water nah, I think we're good. Alright, just exploring the game. Look at them speeding. Ooh. Hey man, I'm gonna let y'all join the picture together. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Oops. All right. All right. Look at the windmills. The windmills are pretty. I think the rain is settling down. Alright, camera mode. Look at that. Alright, I think that should be everything we want to look at. Alright. We already looked at settings, we looked at the outcast. Looking at the radar, it's nothing but storms. Alright. Now, I think that should be it for this video. This game is awesome. For an early beta game that is supposed to be realism of storm chasing and all that cool stuff, and the fact that it's not focused on tornadoes specifically, it's just thunderstorms, high winds, lightning. That's just amazing. I love how the developer of this game is focusing on storms other than tornadoes. So that's actually really respectable. I like that. And the driving is realistic. The clouds are realistic. The graphics are good. And the lightning sounds and the lightning itself, it's amazing. Let's take one more picture. Well, I'm gonna end it here as my character's getting wet. Ooh, that's a thumbnail pose. Hold on. I love it. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and yeah, this is a really good game. So, I'll see y'all later. Oh yeah, Bible verse, right. I'm just gonna use the Bible verse on the Holy Bible app. I wanna use Bible verses in each video I make. So, Luke 16:10. He that is faithful in that which is least is faithful also in much, and he that is unjust in the least is unjust also in much. Beautiful verse of the day, Luke 16:10. Thank you, Holy Bible app. And yeah, see y'all later. God bless y'all, and take care.